Shrikant Edam and welcome to SEDM Techie channel. Hope you all doing well. So today topic we are going to discuss about file server resource manager. Okay. So using this option we can create quota for the users. So it means like a space limit for the users and we can block the users creating any certain type of files. Like we can restrict the users creating text files or image files, any other files. So here we have those options in FSRM tool. So let's start the class. So this is my server. So to install, open server manager. Here click on add and roles and features. So I already installed on this machine, but I will show you how to do it. Click on next, next. Here you can see file and storage services. Expand this one. Okay, expand file and iSCSI services. Here you will see file server resource manager. So you have to check this option and click on next and go with the default option. So it will install FSRM role on this machine. So once that role is installed, you can see file and storage services option present here. Now click on this, select shares. Okay. Now click on the drop down here. Click on new share. So click on quick, type a custom path. So here on my machine on the server, I have only one volume C drive. Okay, and I have a limited space. So click on it, type a custom path. But on your machine, so you can select any path and you can select NAS drive as well. But here I will be creating a folder on the C volume. Type a custom path, click on browse. So in C volume, I am going to create a new folder. You can give any name here. So quota 1, click on next. You can give details here. So local folder will be quota 1. Here you can give share 1. So when we access from the shared location, it will show it like this. But on the machine, it will be quota 1. Okay. Enable access based enumeration. So it means a user which have permissions, they only able to access that folder. If you want to change any permissions for the users, you can change it from here. So built-in users will have read and execute, and administrator by default will have the full control. And create. So we have created a shared folder. Now close this one. Now go to file server resource manager. So here you will see quota management. Expand it, click on quota and right click, create a quota and browse the path which you have created. It's quota 1, select. So here you can give the limitation. By default it's 100 MB, but in case if you want to create anything, you can select from these templates which are created by default. So as I have limited space, I will give only 100 MB limit. I will go with this one. If you want to create a your own quota, you can create it from here. Okay, you can give the space 50 MB, 10 MB, anything. So I will go with this one and auto apply template. Create quotas on existing and new subfolders. So I will delete the old one. Okay, just a minute. Now I will select file screening management option as well. So what this option will do is it will help us to restrict users to create unauthorized files. Okay, as I explained you earlier. So first of all, we will delete the old one. Create file screen. So what type of files we can restrict for the users? Click on custom properties. Wait. First we have to browse the location on which path you want to configure this one. Now click on custom properties. So here we have audio and video files, backup files, compressed files, email executable. So I will select image files and I will select text files. So user cannot get these two files here and click on OK. So these two files are selected. Click on create. OK. Now we will update the policy. So currently I don't have any client machine right now. Okay. So what I will do is I will log in as user in this machine only, on the server only. So right click, log out. So I logged in as a user. So here, so here you can see share one. It is not showing quota one. So quota one will be shown in local. Okay. When you access that folder locally, it will show as quota one. But if you access from the network path, it will show as share one. That is what we configured there. Now open here and try to create image files. Okay. You need permission to perform this action. So you don't have any permission to create. And try to create the text file. So you cannot create text file as well. Compressed files, yes, you can do it. You can create any other files, but you cannot create those two image and text files because of the permissions which we have configured. So guys, that is how you installed FSRM role and create quota for the users and file screening options, and you can block the users for the certain file types. So this is how you configure FSRM. Thank you for watching. Meet you next class.